The electric buses are really top quality, high performance. The range is really impressive, one I think the best on the market right now. And the brand in the field of electric buses is the premium one.
We were the first company who brought the electric buses from Yutong to Mexico City. Now we are operating 66 buses of fully electric from Yutong. We're having a nice experience. I was telling you that the numbers are running good.
And I'm very proud to take our customer down here to show all the new types of Yutong buses. In Denmark we expect now in the coming years to get this one, the 18 meter, and also the T1215E. I have been working with Yutong for 6 years now. We was the first getting 20 Yutong buses to Denmark, and this work have been more and more and more.
A lot of products and people are from around the world that visiting this very important event regarding public transportation company. We do have a good relationship with Yutong. We do have a good fleet from Yutong. We hope that we have more and continuous business with Yutong in the future.
In north of Europe it has been growing, and now thousands units has been sold to deliver, and we are very pleased with this bus. This is a game changer in the bus world. We started with Yutong 2008 to use and try these buses, and we have been very pleased, of course, with the development and the small input we could do to support this kind of project into the Northern European market.